Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add or delete the header section in Google Sites. This green section is the header section in I am talking about. Okay, so first step, go to sites.google.com. Then click on the website that you want to add or delete the header section on. And first select the header section like that with a mouse click, and you can delete it from by clicking on this delete header icon. Just like that, the header section is deleted. Don't forget to click on this publish button to save your deletion, and let's view my published site. As you see, no more header section in my website. Now to add a header section, simply hover over the header section and you will see this button called add header. Click on it, and just like that you will see this default header type. And to change it, simply select the header section and click on header type. Those options shows up. You can click on cover to use this big header section. You can use a large banner like this, a simple banner like this, or a title only header section. Now let's if you use a header section that uses a photo, you can edit this background photo. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Now let's if you use a header section that uses a photo, you can edit this background photo by clicking on the header section and click on image. You can either select a photo from Google Drive, like those photos, select the photo, click on insert, or you can upload a photo from your computer. And always don't forget to click on this publish button and view your website live. And this is how to I've showed you how to delete the header section, and this is how to add a header section to your website on Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.